Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Drukpa Math. If you are looking to become a fraction master, you are in the right place. Today we are tackling a super important topic, adding and subtracting fractions. Ready to become a fraction pros? Let's dive in. Have you ever struggled with adding or subtracting fractions? Trust me, you are not alone. But by the end of this video, you will find it easy peasy. Whether you are a student trying to ace your math test, a parent helping with homework, or just a math lover wanting to brush up your skills, this video is for you. Today, we will break down everything you need to know about adding and subtracting fractions. We'll cover adding and subtracting fractions when the denominators are same, adding and subtracting fractions with a common denominator when the denominators are different, adding and subtracting fractions using cross multiplication or butterfly method, and some practice problems to test your skills. Remember, math might seem challenging at times, but with practice and the right approach, it becomes easier. And I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Number 1. Adding and subtracting fractions when the denominators are same. When fractions have the same denominator, it is simple to add or subtract them. We just add or subtract the numerators and keep the denominators same. Example 1. 4 over 7 plus 5 over 7. In both the fraction, the denominator is 7. So we just add the numerators 4 and 5. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. And the new fraction formed is 9 over 7. Since 9 over 7 is an improper fraction, we have to simplify that fraction in the form of QR by D form. To simplify the fraction in QR by D form, we need to divide 9 by 7. So when you divide 9 by 7, we have a new fraction, simplified form of fraction, 1 whole 2 over 7. In example 2, we have 8 over 12 minus 5 over 12, and we know that the denominators are same, so we just have to subtract the numerators, and 8 minus 5 equals 3, and the new fraction formed is 3 over 12. And when you simplify 3 over 12, the fraction formed is 1 over 4. Adding and subtracting fractions with the common denominator when the denominators are different. First, let's look at adding fractions using common denominators when the denominators are different. So in the example, 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4, we know that the denominators are different. So the very first step is to find the LCM of the denominators, that is 3 and 4. So the LCM of 3 and 4 equals 12. So therefore, we have to make both the denominators as 12 by multiplying with certain factors. 2 over 3 is being multiplied by 4 and 3 over 4 is being multiplied by 3. And the new fractions formed is 8 over 12 plus 9 over 12. Now our denominators are same. The next step is to add the numerators directly. So 8 plus 9 equals 17, and the new fraction formed is 17 over 12. And we know that the fraction is improper fraction, so we have to simplify this fraction in QR by D form. So the new fraction formed is 1 whole 5 over 12. Secondly, we have subtracting fractions using common denominators. For example, 2 over 5 minus 1 over 3. Again, the LCM of the denominators 5 and 3 is 15, so we have to make the denominators 15 by multiplying with certain scale factors. So 2 over 5 is being multiplied by 3 and 1 over 3 is being multiplied by 5. And the new fractions formed is 6 over 15 minus 5 over 15. Now our denominators are same, so we'll directly subtract our numerators, and 6 minus 5 equals 1 and keep the denominators same. So therefore, the new fraction formed is 1 over 15. There is another method to add or subtract fractions when the denominators are different, and that method is known as cross multiplication method or butterfly method. This method can be useful for adding or subtracting fractions with different denominators without explicitly finding the LCM. So let's look at adding fractions using butterfly method. For example, we have 5 over 7 plus 1 over 2. So in this example, we know that the denominators are different. So in this case, we are not going to find the LCM. Instead, we are going to multiply the fractions diagonally. So as given in the example here, 5 and 2 will be multiplied and the product is 10. And 7 and 1 is being multiplied and the product is 7. And this 10 and 7, these two products should be added in the numerator's place, and in the denominator's place we are just going to multiply two denominators, that is 7 and 2. So 7 2 is 14, so therefore our denominator is 14. Now 10 plus 7 equals 17, and the new fraction formed is 17 over 14. And again, the fraction formed is improper fraction, so we need to simplify this fraction in Q out by D form. So therefore, the new fraction formed is 1 whole 3 over 14. In the second example, let's look at subtracting fractions using butterfly method. For example, 4 over 5 minus 1 over 2. Again, the denominators are different. Multiply the fractions diagonally. 4 and 2, 5 and 1. So 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 1 is 5. So we are going to subtract. Now subtract 8 and 5 in the numerator's place, and in the denominator's place we are just going to multiply the two denominators. 5 times 2 equals 10. So our denominator is 10. Now in the numerator's place we have 8 minus 5. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. And the new fraction formed is 3 over 10. And this is a proper fraction, and we need not simplify this fraction. And the difference of these two fractions is 3 over 10. Now we have covered how to add and subtract fractions with the same and different denominators using cross multiplication or butterfly method. Now try this practice problem and share your answers in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more math magic. Thanks for watching, and remember, math isn't just about numbers, it's a whole world of fun. See you next time.